The Terminal app on your Mac allows you to access the command line interface, including Bash. To open the terminal, you can either use Spotlight, the magnifying glass icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Then type Terminal and hit Enter or navigate to Applications Utilities Terminal. Bash used to be the default shell on macOS versions prior to Catalina. If you're on a version prior to Catalina, you will immediately see a Bash prompt when you open the Terminal app. However, if you're on Catalina or above, you have to type Bash to get to the Bash prompt, since ZSH is now the default shell. You can type bash -- version to verify the version of Bash you're using. The latest version of Bash as of this recording is 5.2.15. macOS is, however, on 3.2.57. This version has all the necessary tools needed for this video series on Bash, and there is no need to upgrade the version. Next, we will look at accessing Bash on a Linux system. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.